Miss,
Miss Kim, so looking back at your products, your products are really unique. But seeing these also, it's like, have you ever thought that somebody else was actually feeling the same way you are feeling? Somewhere out there, not really here, but somewhere like, let's say, somewhere in the US. We all know they are getting rich, but then in some rural areas in the US, some big cities in the US, actually, such as in Detroit, where they're actually crying for help. Have you ever thought that this way? Parang, alam mo yung tipong nahihirapan sila, same thing as you are, parang natanggalan sila ng trabaho, na nag-iisip na siyang paraan, tapos, yun. So, parang naiisip ko lang, parang, hindi mo naiisip na makakayanan. Na makakayanan ng sabihin natin, maghanap ng paraan. Kasi, hindi ko yung, kasi para sa akin, parang, feel ko na parang, hindi naman talagang walang kwenta ka, dahil marami ng trabaho, maraming bayaran, pero parang naisip mo parang untiin na lang. Kumbaga parang baby steps. Parang si baby, one step at a time. Hinahanap niya yung paraan para sa unti-unti. So yun.